In this video, I want to talk about how you can record from YouTube TV. Now this is really easy guys, because there's a built-in function to do this. And whenever you record any program or something, you're gonna get all of the episodes and you can rewatch them from whenever you want. And that is how this works. So what you want to do is you want to open it up on your TV, or on your phone, tablet or computer. Go to the home, live or search, and just search for any program that you want to record. After that, choose the program and then click on the Add to Library icon. Usually it will be a plus sign or a button called Add to Library, and once you've added it to your library, it will now be a recording in the library. So from in there, you should now be able to see all of the future episodes. You should be able to see all of the episodes that the program has, and you can rewatch whichever one you want, and that is how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.